For this project, I created a prototype of an application designed for augmented reality glasses. The purpose of this application is to enable users to better understand their environment as it currently looks, as well as what it might have looked like in the past. In this scenario, we are placed in the user's first-person perspective as they hike along a trail in Southern California. They notice a bush with a type of berry that they don't recognize. They stop and put on their augmented reality glasses. They use a combination of voice and hand gestures to prompt the app to provide more information. After they're satisfied, they continue on their walk. They approach a dry creek and wonder what it might have looked like millions of years ago. Luckily, they notice that the app has placed a timeline on a point of interest. They click the timeline to travel back in time millions of years ago. This creek was once flowing and thriving with wildlife. Tell me more about this dinosaur, the user says, prompting more information. Once they are done, they close the window with yet another voice command. They take a step back and admire the living things that once called this place their home. And with that, they return to their hike. Thank you for watching.